there, my name is Ryan Malloy. In this video, we're going to discuss dividing hexagons into fractions. Before we can begin, let's talk about what denominators our fractions might have that would work well with hexagons. Because a hexagon has 6 sides, we want our denominators of the fractions to be factors of 6. So they can be 1, 2, 3, or 6. So we'll go through a couple examples of each of these. First, let's say we have a fraction with 1 in the denominator. Say 1 over 1. Well, it's fairly easy to represent that with a hexagon. You just shade in the whole thing. One over 1, easy as pie. Next, let's talk about if we want to shade 1/2 of a hexagon. So first we'll take one of our hexagons here and we'll divide it in half. Just draw a line right across the center. And pick one of our 2 sides and we'll shade it in, just like we did before. One-half. And we'll label these just so we can keep track of which one's which. 1, 1/2. Let's try something a little bit trickier. Let's say we want to shade 2/3 of a hexagon. So, now the easiest way there, we're going to divide this into thirds. Find our center point. Let's draw a line from there out to one of our vertices. Then we're going to go around the hexagon, skip this vertex, move on to the next one, and draw a line there. Same thing. Skip this, move on to the next vertex, draw a line. You can see what we've done is we've divided the hexagon into rhombi, or rhombuses. Then we're just going to shade in 2 of those. Awesome. That's 2/3. Now lastly, let's say we wanted to shade in 5/6 of a hexagon. So our first step is we want to divide this into 6ths. And we can do this just by taking each vertex and drawing a line directly across the center with it, connecting it to the vertex on the opposite side. So we'll draw 3 lines right through the center. And we've got our hexagon cut up into 6ths. Then all we need to do is shade in 5 of these triangles. And there we have it, 5/6. My name is Ryan Malloy, and we've just discussed dividing hexagons into fractions.